Relatively speaking, there are more people concerned that AI might exterminate us. This has its origins in 2016, when Google developed a computer named AlphaGo, which could play Go so well that it defeated Lee Sedol, the Go champion from Korea. This came as a real surprise to people around the world. As I said just now, our current computers and robots can only solve logic-related issues. It's easy to ask a computer to play chess. When the human opponent makes a move, how does the computer react? It calculates all the possible tactics and adopts the most reasonable one. But Go is a different game, with a greater variety of possible moves, more than the sum of atoms in the universe. Where will the move be after the human player makes a move? A robot fails to figure it out, since the variety of available moves and involved calculation are beyond reach. Yet, such a seemingly difficult issue has been solved by Google programmers through an understandable method. So, how was this done? When a human player makes a move, the computer or robot opponent stops short of finishing the game every time it makes a move, so as to avoid the overwhelming variety of possibilities. Assuming I plan to take 100 moves, I would reduce that to 70 or 80 moves. Therein, I calculate all the possible moves and choose the most promising ones. And finally, when I take the 100th move, it will be 100% accurate. In this way, what seemed governed by abstract thinking is solved by a robot with logical thoughts. And this was a global hit at the time. So, many scientists began to fear that it would probably harm us humans. For example, at that time, Hawking proposed that sooner or later AI would become self-aware. Then it would be too late to control it. In response, I wrote an article titled "Hawking Proposed the Same 3 Points as Me," which has been published in some periodicals in Hong Kong and serves as a forward to the English version of Saving Humanity published in the US. 3 viewpoints can be generalized from the aforementioned examples. First, scientific technology has the power to destroy us, and this destruction is looming.